In this tutorial I will show you how to get the voice changer on TikTok. First thing you need to do is to come here to your TikTok app. And now click on the plus symbol just to post something. I'm going to record a short video here, just to demonstrate how to get the voice changer. Now just click on like the check mark in the bottom right corner. And then click on audio editing. One thing that you need to do is to actually click where it says replace original sound with recording. If you scroll like to the right here, you can see a couple of options in here. And we can just select, for example, this one. Now we can click where it says record, and now you can actually start talking and do like a new voiceover. When you're done, click on save in the top right. And you now can post the video.